There's Alan, and he's 3D printed this EDF jet. And he's going to have his maiden any minute now.
Oh, which one's your safety? Is there a safety? Anyway. Right, so it's on.
That's about right, isn't it?
Okay.
That's gorgeous, isn't it? 3D printed as well.
Sounds okay.
As usual, so I'm not. That's on the low range, and that's what you need. Don't I need any terrain actions, does it?
Oops. I'm wandering all over the place. Must be the wind, or I'm cold. God, yeah.
Go down for you. Is that better?
Yeah, that's better, yeah.
Wingtips help them
Yeah.
I'll take up a wee bit high and I've probably got about 3/4-ish stuff as well. Ready?
Yeah.
Right, you've got it. Climbing, maybe take a wee bit of power off now. Climbing. Got it still. Yeah. Round to the right bit. Got it still. Turn left now. Wind drift. That's quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very sedate by the looks of it.
Power on for going into wind.
It's getting quite gusty now.
We've just got up just for you, Alan. Ready? You have control?
Yeah.
It'll go backwards in this wind. Bit quicker downwind.
Drift to wind. Drift again. Yay.
Super. 3D printed EDF.
It's just
Flown by Alan Allen. Alan made it.